We got a package, we got a package. Hey, what's up? It's Mikey. So in today's video, we are unboxing the latest iPhone watch. I am so excited, but before that though, I apologize for this look. And I also got my eyebrow tattoo touch-up, so that might look very harsh right now. Let's just not look at this and look at this, you know? But anyways, I actually pre-ordered this before it even came out. I don't know why I just got it right now. Dear Apple, that is not cool. But before we start, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You know where it is. And also, before we start, let's do an ASMR. Why am I so nervous? Ooh, I opened it so weird. I got the Series 4 gold aluminum pink sand support loop. But before I open this, I actually want to let you guys know that I actually have the Series 1, the very first one, and I love it. Alright, I think you open it like this. Ooh! Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Did I just break it? I see the baby. Oh my god, look how cute is this packaging. It has its own bag. Oh, look at that. We got some instructions. We also got some chargers. Alrighty. This is what the Sand Sport look like. I got this one instead of the rubber ones. I don't know, I like these ones better. And this is it. Oh yes. I love, 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 love. It's just a Velcro. I actually want to try if this band fits right here because I really, really love this one. Oh, it looks so cute. Before I show you guys this, I should probably clean this up first. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. This is hard to put on. This is what it looks like side by side. As you guys can see, the face of this one is so much bigger than this one. Of course, this one is waterproof. This is not. This definitely looks thinner than this one. There's a black ring in the button and this doesn't. And in the back, as you guys can see, there's 4 little holes right there. I'm actually not sure what those called. For some reason, just 1 hole is better than the 4 holes. And as you guys can see, this has more sophisticated back than this one. And this is what it looks like side by side. Oh yes, I love it. I switched the band from my original band. I love it so much. It looks so cute. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and also give it a like if you like it. Before I forget, today's shout out goes to Rachel Woods. Thank you so much, girl, for commenting and also subscribing. If you guys want a shout out, make sure to just comment down below whatever you're thinking and also subscribe. That's so easy. I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. You guys are too far. And get right to it.